Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave, this is Quarter Flips. Quick one today. I know I keep saying that, but lately they've had to be quick. I have been piled on with the work. I have been listing and packing and shipping and doing podcasts, although that's starting to clear out. But mainly I've just been listing and then packing and shipping. It's weird. The more I list, the more I have to ship. The simple truth is the more things you put up for sale, the more things you sell. You'd think I would have known this by now, and I did, but the reality has been coming down on me lately. So much so that I wasn't able to make a video about the last batch of stuff that I shipped. I captured it really quick so I could show you, so let's look at that right now. Got a number of things going out for this weekend. This Stack and Tilt Golf Swing DVD that I picked up at the pawn shop last week, that went for $29.99, shipping included. This Love and Rockets LP went for $9.99. Lords of the New Church Nothing Sacred LP, that went for $9.99. The Replacements Don't Tell a Soul LP, that went for $19.99. The Nerves One Way Ticket Red Vinyl, that went for $24.99. Oingo Boingo Nothing to Fear LP, that went for $24.99. Sold 3 records to one buyer. Pavement, Westing by Muxkit and Sextant, hopefully I said that right, $9.99. Jesus and Mary Chain Psycho Candy LP, $14.99. And Elliott Smith Either Or, $21.99. And finally for LPs, we've got the Postal Service Give Up. This is the 2 LP release from, I don't know, maybe 2012 white vinyl version. There was later a 3 12-inch version of this, but this is just the white vinyl version. You can see it has some wear. Nevertheless, it went for $39.99 plus shipping. Got the Prima Mortal Kombat Shaolin Monks official game guide with the disc. It has a CD-ROM disc with codes. That went for $7.99 plus shipping. And this is a Trent Reznor, Atticus Ross Blu-ray. It's some kind of special edition of the soundtrack for The Social Network. $104.99 for that one. Lots of records there, and I've got some more records out of that collection that I'm selling here today. It was a collection that spurred so many of these recent sales. A friend of mine had a collection he wanted me to sell for him, and so I've been listing that stuff. He had a lot of really, really nice records, and the thing about these records is they're in pretty poor condition for what they are. Some of these records that are going for $39, $49 should be going for $80 to $100 to $120. Like, there's really good stuff in this collection that was mishandled on the turntable. Most of the time it's the vinyl has scratches. I don't know how that happens. I honestly don't. It's funny, you'll get a collection and every single record will be scratched in the same way. I think it's a person laying near their turntable and just reaching over with the record to put it up there and just moving it across the spindle and then finding the hole and setting it down and then putting the needle on so they can listen. When every record in a collection is scratched the same way, I think that's what must happen. Or maybe when they pick up the record, they just pull it. They pull it so that the little spindle, catches the vinyl a little bit. I don't know. I don't know how it happens. But it does, and it did in this collection. And so, a lot of cool records, a lot of good prices. I'm happy to sell them. They could have gone for more. If you have vinyl, take very good care of it. But if you come across vinyl that you think isn't good enough to sell necessarily based on condition, take a look. Some of those things are worth a lot of money, and condition only will cut maybe half the price off. So speaking of vinyl, why don't I just go over the additions from that collection that sold today. The Jesus and Mary Chain Automatic LP. This one sold for $19.99. The Only Ones self-titled LP, $49.99. Granddaddy, The Software Slump, $49.99. And an absolute classic, the Jawbreaker Dear You reissue on Black Ball Records. 2 LPs, blue vinyl. This one went for $49.99. Sold these Sharper Image Own Zone wireless TV headphones. These were in that storage unit that I bought a while back. The one that this baby came out of. $24.99 plus shipping. I'm slowly chipping away at the money I spent to buy that unit. Sold a bunch more DVDs on eBay. These were all shipping included in the price. The Chairman for $8.99. Johnson County War, $9.99. Disney Classic Cartoon Favorites, Volume 9, Classic Holiday Stories, $9.99. White Witch Doctor. Yeah, you're not going to see a remake of this, I don't think. $14.99 for this one. Bone Chillers. This is a special effects DVD of some sort. This went for $14.99. Riverboat, the complete series. This went for $22.99. And Restless Gun, the complete series. This went for $39.99. Also sold some Blu-rays. Same deal as DVDs. Shipping included on eBay. Eastern Promises. Great movie. $9.99. And then these Japanese animation Blu-rays that I got new at a pawn shop for $6 a piece. Toilet Bound Hanako-kun, the complete series. I'm not even sure if I pronounced that right, and I apologize if I did. Mangle it. $14.99. 2 seasons of Demon Slayer, Season 1 and Season 2. They went for $24.99 each. And that's it for today. I very much expect that the next video that I make is going to be for a lot of DVDs because I bought 1,400 DVDs in the last week. And we'll talk about that later. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.